I'm very sorry, but I need to tell you that Sophia Smith found murder in the other park this morning.
Oh my god, cannot be true!
We're very sorry,
I see that.
but you must follow to the station for questions.
So, come on. It's going to be okay, I promise you. So, what happened that night?
I still can't believe it. Me and Sophie were out on walk. She called me and told me that she wanted to meet. She had something to tell me.
And what was it she wanted to tell you?
She had been cheating on her boyfriend, David Dawson.
Did her boyfriend know that she has been unfaithful?
I don't know. She didn't tell me so much about it, and I don't know who the other guy was.
What did you say that the boyfriend's name was?
David Dawson.
Vivian, find him and take him for questions. Okay, continue.
Yes, Sophie and me live in a different directions.
Did you heard or saw anything?
No, I put music on. I always had that.
Okay, thank you. That will be enough for today. Thank you very much. Yes?
We have found David. Do you want to talk with him?
Yes, bring him in.
Okay.
Interview with David Dawson, March 11, 2008. So, what were you Sunday night?
Home?
Do you have someone who can watch for that?
No.
So, you were alone?
Yes.
Did you and Sophie argue lately?
No.
Not at all?
No.
But if you talk with others, it would have been a little tease between you.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Please, David, can you not afford a little bit? It's your girlfriend we talk about. She has been murdered. You get it?
Yes, I know.
Did you know that Sophie has been unfaithful? Did you know that?
Yes.
Do you know with who?
I know fucking idea. I know nothing. I believe she was with someone else.
Okay. I think we must stop there, but we must keep you.
Do you think I killed my own girlfriend?
We can never know. You have motives.